Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I have a Walmart iPhone case 11 haul. My first case is this sparkly one. It's like rose gold glitter. Super pretty, and it is protective. I don't know if these were on sale or not, but they were $10. I have the iPhone 11 in purple, and I'm trying to build up my case collection for it. And then I bought this Popsocket. It has little avocados all over it, and it was $10 as well. Then I bought this phone case. It was $10, and it has little white flowers all over it, and it's like gold. I like that it's clear so you could see my purple case through it. So I hope you liked my Walmart iPhone case haul. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.